Hey guys, this is another video about place value, but it's kind of going to bring everything together we've been talking about in other videos and in class. And so I'm going to share this with you and bring it all together. So we've been learning about place value using blocks. So I'm going to bring down some blocks. I'm hoping you're counting while I'm bringing them down. So let's see. Oops, yeah, it looks like the number 23 is right there. The number 23. Now, one thing we've been doing is we have been learning to count these blocks. 10, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And we get the number 23. We've also counted with sticks and circles. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So when we are sharing what we know about place value, we count. We also write standard numbers like 23. We may use different models like sticks and circles, but we also talk about their place. Every digit in a number has a place and a value. So if the number sits in this spot, it's worth 10. And if the number sits in this spot, it's worth 1. So each place is a value. So we have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. And we've been mostly working with ones and tens. Some of you have been working with the hundreds place. Now, when you look at this, sometimes we need to know that not only can you count them, but you can tell us which number is in which place. So, sometimes we will be doing what number is in the tens place and what number is in the ones place. When you look at the tens place, remember you're not going to write 20. What you're going to write is how many groups of 10 you see. So I see 1, 2 groups. Now what that means is the value of those is 20. It does mean 20. But when I just say how many tens, I'm only asking how many sticks of 10. I see 1 stick, I see 2 stick. That's all I'm asking. And then I see my 3 little ones, and then that makes the number 23. Let's clear. Okay, so let's do another. All right, let's see how many's there. Yes, I see 45. Now we're going to count. We have been practicing counting. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And remember, we're using that counting on that we know how to do. Now, when you see 45, we can also do the sticks and circles for that. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now, the next step, remember, what I wanted you to do was show me how many tens, and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones? Now, when you look at this, you're not going to write 40 in this spot. You're going to tell me how many groups of 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 10, or you can say 4 sticks of 10. Now the value of that is that it does mean 40. So when I say I have 4 tens, that means I have 4 groups of 10 and I can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, and 40. And then over here I see I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 45. So 4 tens and 5 ones make the number 45. Let's see what we have here. Oops, 62. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. It makes the number 62. Right there, the number 62. 62. I can do my sticks and circles. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. And I have 62. Then if I wanted to know how many tens and how many ones, remember I'm going to look at my groups. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 2 ones, and it makes the number 62. Let's clear. All right. Now this should look familiar because we had practiced teen numbers. And when we look at this, I see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And it's just one group of 10 with 6 little ones. It's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a teen number. When it's a teen number, you're only going to have one group of 10. So tens and ones. When it's a teen number, it's one group of 10 and 6 ones. And I think you might remember that because we did like 10 plus 6 would equal 16 because that's one group of 10. So the teen numbers are kind of easy. So when you hear 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, we know we only have one group of 10 in that place. All right, let's look at this one. Do you remember the decade numbers? Decade numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Now when we look at this and we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We only have 50. Over here is nothing. We have none. That is 0. That is 0. So when you guys did your sticks and circles for decade numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's no little ones at all. And so when you do and show me how many tens and how many ones, you see how many groups again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups or 5 sticks. And there's no ones. Well, remember, 0 is a number and 0 means none. So you do put your 0 up there. So 5 tens and 0 ones makes the number 50. Okay, I hope this video gave you a good little review. I'll see you soon. Bye.